Can you tell me, and tell our audience, about something that you or maybe the company tried that didn't work out as it was originally thought would be a great idea? So we're looking around for the idea of when you try something and you fail at it, you know, should you get back up and try again? What can you learn from that? Do you have any failures that could be shared publicly that maybe didn't work out?
I love that question, and it is hard on what you can actually share.
Right.
Because usually you do failures and then you quickly pivot to the next thing. And
Right.
I will say we, like most big brands, we make TV ads and we pride ourselves on taking actions.
Yes.
And we think our innovation and those actions we take, allows us to tell wonderful stories about the brand. And I will tell you, there was one innovation that we worked on that we were pretty excited about. And I think this is an interesting piece of innovation. Sometimes you're like too far ahead for something to be relevant.
Yes.
And we went out and we built the tech and we filmed the ad and we tested it. And it just flopped. I mean, and this was when I first came into my current job. So I show up and we have this flop. And I'm working with our agency to try to find a different angle in or make it work, and nothing worked. I mean, it just was a piece of technology that consumers could care less about, and it made them scared. It was too automatic. Like they didn't like that. So I know I'm being vague, but I think the learning is, you go through an experience like that and you realize very quickly, I never want to do that. So what are we going to put in place to ensure we're continuing to innovate, but we're making sure that our innovations are still relevant to consumers before we go invest, $500,000, $1 million in a production that we can't use.
Understood.
For more information on the innovations that are shaping our world, visit tomorrowsworldtoday.com or check out the Tomorrow's World Today Facebook and Instagram pages.